Hello everyone and welcome back to Maths with Sukirti God YouTube channel. So in this video we are going to continue our 20 most important question series from surface area and volumes class 9th maths NCERT book. So this video is going to be very beneficial, as I told you that we are going to cover most of the formulae and all the concepts from this chapter, and you need to revise at this point of time because your examinations are very close. Okay, so let us start. In this is part number 3. We have already done part number 1 and part number 2. Question number 6 says, a bus stop is barricaded from the remaining part of the road by using 50 hollow cones made of recycled cardboard. Each cone has a base diameter of this much and this height. If the outer side of each of the cone is to be painted and the cost of painting is this much, what will be the cost of painting all these cones? And these are the values given in this question, right? So in this one, a bus stop is barricaded. Barricaded means to block some part of some area, right? So they have barricaded remaining part of the road here by using 50 hollow cones. Now you must have seen in roads sometimes we have seen conical structures like this. I'm not able to make the perfect, but they look like this. So they are hollow cones, yes or no? So they are used to barricade, to block some part of some area, right? So they are hollow cones, not solid, because it is very difficult to carry solid cones from here to there, right? So they are hollow cones. It means they do not have any base but only have the upper part of the cone, like this one, this curved part, right? So no base, they are opened from the base. They are made of recycled cardboard. Each cone has a base diameter of 40 centimeter. Let us also write here that each cone has a base diameter of 40 centimeter. 40 centimeter. So we will be required to find out the radius. So let us do it here only. It will be half of diameter, that is 20 centimeter. And then the height is given. Height is equals to 1 meter, right? If the outer side of each cone is to be painted, I told you that outer side is here is curved surface area and the cost of painting is given. That we will calculate later, but for now what we are going to do here, let me write all these things in the side so that we can have space for the calculation. Given D is equals to 40 centimeter, R is equals to then half of it, 20 centimeter, and H is equals to 1 meter. Now can you see all these values are not in the same unit. We have centimeter, also meter. So let us just convert them into meter, because at last we have been provided with its cost which is in meter square. So let me convert this. This will become 0.20. Why? You know this, that I divided it by 100 and the point shifted, right? So we have got R is equals to 0.20 meter. So I am going to write it directly, 0.20 meter. Now we have height in the meter, radius in the meter, and now we are good to go for the solution. So for a cone like this, we have height, we have height like this, and we have radius like this, right? Radius here is 0.20 meter and height here is 1 meter. So like we need to paint the curved surface area, we are going to find curved surface area of a cone, one hollow cone here, right? What we are going to do? Put the formula pi r L. Can you tell me that we have been provided with the perpendicular height? Can you see here? But not the slant height. And here in the formula we want slant height. So we are going to calculate. There is no option, right? So what we know about slant height, that the square of slant height is equals to h square plus r square, because basically inside a cone it is forming a right angled triangle and L becomes the hypotenuse of this right angled triangle. So I have just applied Pythagoras theorem. L square we have to calculate. H is equals to what? 1. So it becomes 1 square. R is equals to 0.20. So 0.20 square. L square is equals to 1 square is 1 plus 0.20 square will give us what? Let me solve it here for you. 0.20, because I am trying my best to explain you every single basic. We are going to remove the point here as well. We are getting this cancel out. So we are getting 2 into 2, 4 upon 100. Now shift the decimal 1 and 2. So we are getting 0.04. I would have done directly, I would have written the value directly, but it is my duty and your duty as well to work hard as much as you can to get the best score this time. So L square is equals to 1 plus 0.04, that is 1.04. Now to find out the value of L only, we are going to find out the square root, right? So square root of 1.04. Now can you see here, we have been provided with this value in this question because it is not easy for us to calculate the square root of 1.04. It will take a lot of time. So they have provided us with this value. L became square root of 1.04, that is 1.02. So it is the indication that you have done the calculation right. That question itself is helping you, right? So now let us put the values in the formula to find out curved surface area. So CSA is equals to pi. We have been given the value again. Until and unless you are not provided with this decimal value of pi, you need not put any value by yourself. R equals to, we have converted into meter, 0.20, and L we have got 1.02. Now remove these points. Let us see how easy can we make our calculation. Cancel this and this. Okay, so is there anything cancelling out? Yes, this 0 with this 0. Or we can do one thing more. Let me tell you what we can do here. This became 0.2, this became 20. Now we had to find out how many cones. For 50 hollow cones we had to find out the curved surface area. So let us just multiply here without cancelling out anything, without touching and messing up with the calculation. For CSA, for 50 hollow cones, what we will do, we will multiply it with the curved surface area of one cone. So just write everything here. Everything looks clean and it is very easy for us to find out what is the mistake when we do everything very neatly, right? So I have multiplied it by 50. Now 50 times 1 and 50 times 2. Is it easy? Yes. 0, 0. And what we can do, 2 into 1, 2 into 1. Now we have got 314 into 102 upon 1000. Right? So you need not touch this 1000 because we will do one thing, just multiply these two and just shift the decimal, because anyhow we are going to get the answer in decimals. Multiply it with this. 2 into 4 is 8, 2 into 1 is 2, and 2 into 3 is 6, 0, 0, 0. You know why. Now 1 into 4, 1 into 1, 1 into 3, 8, 2, 10, 2, 3, 2, 0, 2, 8, 3, 2, 0, 2, 8 we have got upon 1000, right? Now we have got what is the curved surface area or the total area to be painted for 50 hollow cones. Okay, so this is the area in meter square which is required to be painted, actual. Okay, total area. Now we have been provided with the cost. So for 1 meter square they have given us rupees 12. Now for how much? 320. Let us convert it into decimals as well. So we have 3 zeros, cancel them and just shift the decimal 1, 2 and 3. 32.028. 32.028 meter square. We are going to multiply it with 12. So 32.028. Do not consider the point yet. Multiply it. 2 8 16, 2 into 2 4, plus 1 5, 2 into 0, 2 into 2 and 2 into 3. This becomes 8, 2, 0, 2, 3. It is very easy to multiply with 1. Yes or no? So 13 and 3, 4, 8, 3, 8, 4, 3, 3, 6. And we had how many digits? 3 digits after the decimal. So leave 3 digits from the last and we have got 384.336. This is the cost. 384.336. I'm going to rub the calculation and I'm going to write it here. 384.336 rupees for how much? For how much? For painting total area of 50 cones. Cost is this much. 384.336, or you can also round off it. So it will be what? 384.34. This is the rounded off value up to 2 decimals. I hope this question is clear to you and you can do it by yourself. Always maths need practice, and whenever you yourself will attempt the question, you will get to know what problem you are facing and where are you actually lacking, because you know it always seems easy when some other person do the solution. It just goes with the flows, but you will learn when you will attempt by yourself. So do it by yourself and you'll get to know. Let us move on to next question, question number 7. Let us read this. The diameter of the moon is approximately 1/4 of the diameter of the earth. Find the ratio of their surface areas. Now this question looks very small, but it can give you a problem if you do not do it very properly, because you know most of the students will say, ma'am, nothing has been given, not even a single value of r. So what we are going to do in this, let us see. Diameter of moon, let us write it as dm is equals to 1/4 of the diameter of earth. Let us take diameter of earth as de. Let's suppose de is equals to x units. Okay, so accordingly what will be the dm? Dm is 1/4 of diameter of x, right? Find the ratio of their surface areas. Now, I must tell you that moon and earth both are considered as spheres, solid spheres in mathematics, right? So, we are going to consider them as sphere and we are going to put the formulas accordingly. Now, if I want to find the ratio of the surface area, so moon is written first, so we will take the surface area in the numerator of moon and surface area of earth in the denominator. Whatever is written first, just calculate it first and put it in the numerator whenever you are asked for the ratio. Now surface area of moon will be, what is the surface area of a sphere? 4 pi r square. You always have to learn the formulae, because as I tell you that formulae are the keys to the solution. 4 pi, you need not solve pi, that I'll tell you later. R is what? R, here we have taken the diameter, so R will be x upon 2. Yes or no? So R will be x upon 2. This is very important thing. So R of earth we are taking as x upon 2. Accordingly, R of moon we will take as 1/4 x upon 2. Right? So this will become x upon 8. So 4 pi r square, r of moon is x upon 8 whole square. So this become 4 pi x square upon 8 square is 64. Cancel it out. 4 times 1 is 4 and 4 into 6 is 24. We have got pi x square upon 16. This is the surface area of moon, right? Surface area of moon. Similarly, we are going to find out the surface area of earth. So 4 pi r square s surface area of earth, 4 into pi into r of earth is x upon 2. From here, square SA of earth will give us, this is E, 4 pi x square upon 2 square is 4. 4 cancelled out 4 and we are left with SA earth is equals to pi x square. Now just take the ratio. Surface area of moon upon surface area of earth is equals to, surface area of moon is pi x square upon 16 and surface area of earth is pi x square, right? And there is nothing in the denominator, just put 1. Now how to solve it? Just reciprocal it, pi x square upon 16, and the other denominator got reciprocaled, pi x square. Cancel this out. We have got 1 upon 16, or you can also write it as 1:16. Right? So the ratio of surface area of moon to the surface area of the earth is 1:16. I hope we are clear with this. This is a very important question and many times have been asked in the examination. Let us move on to next question. Question number 8 says, a right circular cylinder just encloses a sphere of radius r. Encloses means the sphere is inside the right circular cylinder. Find the surface area of the sphere, curved surface area of the cylinder, and ratio of the areas obtained in first and second. Let us start with the first part. Okay. So right, so it just encloses a sphere of radius r. So the radius of this sphere is r. Okay, I hope it is visible. Now surface area of the sphere we have to find out. Now you tell me what is the surface area of a sphere. The formula is 4 pi r square. So what will be the surface area of the sphere here? Of course, our r is r only. So the surface area of the sphere is 4 pi r square. In the second part, we have been asked to find out the curved surface area of the cylinder. First, write the formula. 2 pi r h. Now tell me what will be the r of this cylinder. If you can see here, this is also the center of the top part, the circular part of this cylinder, and till here it has been given us that it is r. So of course this will also be r. Let me take another pen because it is not visible. Like this. So this has been given r, and this here also will give us r. So radius of the cylinder, radius of the sphere, radius of sphere is r. So basically radius of cylinder is also r, as you can see in the figure, right? So just put the value accordingly. CSA will be equals to 2 pi r h. So this will be the curved surface area. This is very simple, right? Now in the third part, we have been asked to find out the ratio of the surface area obtained. Now you see here, we found out in first surface area of sphere, and then in the second part curved surface area of the cylinder. So you in the denominator are going to put surface area of sphere, and in the denominator surface area of cylinder. Surface area of sphere was 4 pi r square. Surface area of cylinder we have found out. Curved surface area, sorry. Curved surface area is 2 pi r h. Now cancel it out. Pi cancelled this. 2 times 2. Since this r and this r are same, so it will cancel out one time, and we have got r upon h. It means the ratio is r ratio h. Okay. So I hope you have understood all the solution of these questions. So this was the part number 3. Part number 4 will come very soon. You just practice at home. So if you have understood all the solution, please like the video. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please subscribe to the channel. Also hit the bell icon so that you never miss any update. If you have any query in these questions or any another question to ask, please comment me in the comment box. Till then, take care. Bye bye. See you in the part 4.